How to add your emergency contacts. Open Emergency Please app. Click on Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Contact. Select Contact Type. Then select Family Type. Enter contact name and contact number. You can use Visible to Scanner yes. No. Visible to Scanner no. Secure your contact details from scan, but still they get emergency alert notification. Click on Add Contact. Same way you can add multiple emergency contacts. You can add emergency contact of family, friends, or office colleagues. Thank you from Emergency Please. Be safe and healthy.